Quantitative aptitude 1, we are discussing numbers, very important topic for all competitive examination, not only for campus placements, for banking examination, staff selection commission, RRB exams, CAT, GMAT, GRE, so UPSC exams. If you write any exam, the highest weightage is numbers it is. So many questions are asking. Now practice this book, you can get the command and numbers it is. But I will discuss with you how many types of numbers are there. Now numbers, introduction. Numbers are basically divided into two types, it is even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers means a number is exactly divisible by 2. Exactly divisible by 2 means by dividing 2 remainder 0. That numbers are called the even numbers. But without doing division also we can say by observing the units place value. If the units place value of a given number is any one of these, either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, we say that numbers are called the even numbers. Simply by observing the units place value, if the units place value is any one of these, either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, we say that numbers are called the even numbers. By dividing that numbers by 2 also can get the remainder 0 it is. But without doing division, we can say by observing the units place value. Now, what is meant by odd number? If a number is divided by 2, leaves remainder 1, that numbers are called the odd numbers. If a number is divided by 2, leaves remainder 1, that numbers are called the odd numbers. But without doing division, how can I say here also by observing the last digit, that is the units place value? If the units place value is any one of these 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then we say that numbers are called the odd numbers. So simply by observing the numbers, you have to decide whether it is an even number or odd number by observing the last digit. If the last digit, that is the units place value of a given number, is either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, we say that numbers are called even numbers. Or if the units place value is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, any one of these, we say that numbers are called the odd numbers it is. Now multiples. What is meant by multiples? For the given number, infinite number of multiples are there. Let it be 2. What are the multiples of 2? 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 5, 2 into 6, 2 into 7, and so on. For any number, how many multiples are there? Infinite number of multiples are there it is. Similarly, what is meant by factors? Factors are limited number for the given number. Limited number of factors are there for the given number. Constant number of factors are there for the given number. Multiples are infinity, but the factors are only limited number, only constant number of factors are there. So observe the example 1. 1 is divisible by only 1. So 1 has only one factor. So 2 is divisible by 1, 2. So how many factors are there? 2 factors are there for 2. 3 is divisible by 1, 3. 2 factors are there. 4 is divisible by 1, 2, 4. So 3 factors are there for 4. 5 is divisible by 1, 5. 6 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 6. 4 factors are there for 6. Just like constant number of factors are there, limited number of factors are there for the given number it is. So based on the number of factors, again, the numbers be divided into two types. It is prime numbers and composite numbers it is. What is meant by prime numbers? If a number is exactly divisible by only 1 and itself. If a number is exactly divisible by only 1 and itself, that numbers are called the prime number. Or indirectly we say a number has only 2 factors, 1 and 2, that numbers are 1 and itself. Only 2 factors, 1 and itself, that numbers are called the prime numbers. So the first prime number is 2. It is called even prime number. It is called first prime number. 2 has only 2 factors. It is divisible by only 1, 2. Next prime number is 3. Only 2 factors. Next prime number 5. Only 2 factors. If a number has only 2 factors, 1 and itself, that numbers are called the prime numbers. Up to 100, 25 prime numbers are there. That 25 prime numbers by practicing you have to put in your mind. That are very useful for doing the calculations of arithmetic and also for doing some topics of reasoning. Prime numbers list you have to put in your mind by practicing up to 100. 25 prime numbers are there. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, just like. Okay. So 25 prime numbers are there. Now the next one is composite numbers. If a number has only two factors, it is called the prime number. If a number has more than two factors, if a number has more than two factors, that numbers are called the composite numbers. It is more than two factors means it may be 3, it may be 4, it may be 5, it may be 7, but so countable number of factors are there. Limited number of factors are there. That are called the composite numbers. So what is the first composite number? 4. So 4 has how many factors? Divisible by 1, divisible by 2, divisible by 4. 3 factors are there. 2 is the prime number, 3 is the prime number. So 4 is the composite number. So the first composite number is 4 it is. Now here one important note, 1 is not a prime number, not a composite number. Why 1 is not a prime number, not a composite number? According to our definitions of prime and composite, prime number means it must have two factors, composite number means it must have more than two factors, but 1 has only one factor, so it doesn't belongs to prime, doesn't belongs to composite. Very important note it is. So the first composite number is 4. Next composite number is the numbers other than prime numbers, indirectly we say. 6. Next 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, just like it is. So how many composite numbers are there now? Up to 100. Already we learned 25 prime numbers are there. 100 minus 25. 75, but 1 is not a prime number, not a composite number. So 74 composite numbers are there. Up to 100, how many composite numbers are there? 74 composite numbers are there. So based on the number of factors, numbers be divided into two types, prime numbers and composite numbers. If a number has only two factors, it is prime. If a number has more than two factors, it is a composite numbers it is. In the next video, I will continue the remaining basics it is. Thank you to all.